Okay, so I'm opening this Elite Trainer box, Pokemon Fusion Strike. It says it right there, Fusion Strike. This trainer box, so Elite Trainer box, ETB, and we're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Maybe we can get some hits. I don't know. Okay. Open this up. See what's inside. So the first we got up is the trainer box itself. It comes with a few cards in the front. So the one I got here is Octillery right here, reverse hollow Octillery. We got the Daegu Korea Fire reverse hollow. These are all reverse. Got the Houndoom reverse hollow, and we got Rapid Strike Urshifu from I forgot what series, but it's a reverse hollow as well. We got Melita, however you say it, Psychic, reverse hollow, and we got a single strike Urshifu. Get this out right here, and this is just a pile book. So this is all reverse hollows. So let's see what's inside. So we got the box here, and just open this out. Open this trainer box, and we'll just save this for last part. I don't think there's anything in there. Yeah, I don't think there's anything in there. So let's just open this box. Just pull this out. Open. So I think this is just the covering. It comes with a little manual about Pokemon. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is the Elite Trainer box. Let's just slide it out. And then this is what the cover looks like, by the way. Just put that there. And so this is the trainer box, the Elite Trainer box. So the contents inside is good in this little wrapping right here. We got our Fusion Strike packs right here. Let's just take this out. Yeah, we got our packs of Fusion Strikes. Yeah, we got the Gengar. Just right here, Gengar. We got Mew. We got Genesect. We got Voltron right here. Another Gengar, and they're just repeating. So here's all the packs. We'll open these for last. We'll just open the rest of the code card here for you. And there's some more. Just here's some not sleeves. No, these aren't sleeves. These are
Oh, they're dividers.
yeah, dividers. These are dividers with Mew on it. And we got sleeves and a big pile. These are all just energy cards. It says it on the back. And we got this tokens. Yeah, tokens. And we got the damage dice right here. So tokens and damage dice. And we got these cool sleeves right here with Mew on top of it. There's 60 in here. And open this. 65. All these are just sleeves. You can see that's pretty cool. And we'll just open these real quick. But here's all the energy cards. You can see. Just try to open these. Yeah, they're just energy cards, so there's just like different kinds. It's not just fighting type. So let's get straight into opening these packs. Everybody open one. So here's one here for you.
Thank you.
And let's just start with the Mew. Let's open this up. I've never opened a pack. Yeah. So let's just open this.
Close the camera.
Yeah. You guys can go first if you want to.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, let's just go drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So let's open one. Those are the trainer card. The code card. Just sure for me. Is it? Yeah, it's 4. Alright, so here we go. Onyx. We got something behind it. There's something behind it. You can kind of see it. Dynamo, reverse hollow, and chandelier. Beautiful, beautiful card. Beautiful
Dang, that's.
I think you do. That's a VMAX.
But it's like Korean for you.
Yeah.
Hey, that's cool.
That's good, man. That's your card. You can have.
You open yours. Open yours.
I don't like.
You open
Here's
yours.
mine. My future so I can. Yeah, put it in the sleeve.
You open. One hand.
If you need help, if you need help opening it, Jonah has you.
Yeah.
I'm good.
I could open it and then.
Alright, so it's beautiful chandelier VMAX Mew. Future Strike Mew.
Look at this.
Yeah, we'll
we'll
do that in that box at the end. Yeah. Also, code card. If you need to look at the code right here. Yeah, code card. Here it is.
Okay.
And let's go 4 to the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back. Let's go. Okay, so here's the first one. Electric pipe. Trainer card. Don't do it slow. Caterpie. Oh, I see something in the back. Okay. We have you have that card. You have that card. Reverse hollow
what it's from behind.
on the back. Mew V.
Woo!
Let's grab the sleeve.
It's right here. Oh, look.
We pulled the Mew V. So we got the Mew V. Let's put it in the sleeve.
Is that normal?
It's a V.
It's
So
a V, so
it's a good card. It's
a
Yes.
So we got the V. So we pulled 2 good cards out of a few packs. So here's both of them. If it's like a black thing like this, I think it means good or something like that. I haven't paid attention. We got Psychic Energy. Slow.
I should also play the game like the
This one or the other one? This one? Morpha Pico.
Smeargle.
This one's that one.
Oh, I think I see something.
I see something. Hollow and Bolton V. Let's go. Okay, another V. One last pack after this. So yeah, we gotta open this one. We should open this one right now. Dad, do you think
So next, Luke's gonna open up the box that I sent him. I sent this package to him a couple weeks earlier, and he just got it in the mail. So I threw in some cards from Korea here in it, so he's gonna open those booster packs for you.
But mine. Okay.
It's yours. So you gotta go through them slowly.
Okay. Show them. Dude, I only saw the first one. It's fine.
Okay. No.
Let's see. I can Get this pack out. Trying not to bend the cards. Let's go. And that's hollow. Yep, hollow. Let's put that over here. Okay, that's cool. We got the RCS right here. And we got another RCS and a Mew. Let's go with the Mew first. So let's open them. Ooh. Yeah. Put it back. Okay. First card. Okay, let's go. Ooh, there's something back there. Okay. Let's go do this straight. Okay, I'm excited. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Let's see. Let's go. Okay, to a Genesect V. It's a Genesect V. Genesect V. Nice. Yeah. And now we got these last two RCS ones. So let's open this real quick. Oh yeah, forgot to show you. Daddy sent me these Dragonites, hollow, and we got the other one with it. Hold on. We got another one, but I still lost it.
No, it didn't. Oh, there's two doubles.
We got two side-ups. Let's go. Top.
Oh, there it is, right here.
Yeah, we got a Dragonite. Let's see. And hollow evolved version of Bidoof.
We got a lot of Pidgeys.
So let's just put it right here. And we got two more packs, or one more pack. So let's open this wisely and slowly. Unless you want to let me open the rest. I want to tell those. Open these packs. Let's get on with it. So first card.
There it is. Because actually,
This one has the this is a dragon Pokemon.
oh, those are good.
I think, or a dinosaur or something like that. And Raichu V. Raichu V. Let's go. Put it in the sleeve. Okay, last pack. We got a nice hit. So yeah. So let's look at all the cards we pulled today that are hits. So we got the first one, a V. Trading card V. Houndoom V. We got Chandelier V. There. Caddy's on the window. We got Mew right here. A very beautiful card. Bolton V. Right here. Bolton V. And we got the Raichu V. So those are all the good cards we pulled. Okay, bet. Let's open all of them. Okay. Oh, yeah. I forgot a card. The Genesect V. Okay, let's go.
So we appreciate you watching this extra video that I uploaded of my son opening the cards that I sent him, as well as a box that he bought there in the States. So it's pretty exciting to see those card pulls. He got some good ones. I'm glad. I'm proud of him pulling those good cards. Thanks for sticking around for this video. Make sure you click out the other videos. We got a couple of eMart videos coming up and some new stuff, and I'm gonna start posting. So I'll see you in the next one.